Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy pork chili. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ground pork, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 1 can each of kidney and pinto beans. Don't forget 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic. For seasoning, have chili powder, cumin, and oregano on hand. This simple list ensures a flavorful start. Next, let's brown the pork. In a large pot, cook 2 pounds of ground pork over medium-high heat until it's no longer pink. Make sure to drain any excess fat from the pot. Then, add your chopped onion, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Sauté these vegetables with the pork for about 5 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. This step builds a rich base. Now it's time to combine everything for simmering. Stir in the 2 cans of diced tomatoes along with the kidney and pinto beans. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and about 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Pour in 1 cup of beef broth or water. Bring the chili to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for at least 30 minutes. Finally, let's perfect your chili. Taste the mixture and adjust any seasonings to your preference, perhaps a little more salt or chili powder. If it tastes too acidic, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the flavors. Serve your delicious pork chili hot, topped with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro. Enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.